welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia and you're watching Domestic Diva. Today I would like to share with you 3 wood DIYs. Some of the wood have come from the dollar stores and some I just had laying around the house. So these are very simple, budget friendly, and I think would be great addition to any home decor. So come along. So for the first project, I have picked up these letters from the Dollar Tree, and I am using them, as well as I will be using my red Annie Sloan chalk paint. It's called the Emperor Silk. You can use any chalk paint, you can use acrylic paint. I just have this red on hand. And then I will also do linen white in Rust-Oleum chalk paint. That's from Home Depot. Again, you can use any white. I am using a snowflake stencil that I picked up at Dollar Tree as well, and 2 different paintbrushes. So first thing that I will be doing is painting the letters in the Emperor Silk. So one tip, the paint, because I've had this paint for a while, it looks a little thick. So I am just going to add some in a cup, and I will add a touch of water to it, and this will make it a little bit more thinner and easier to apply, and you won't go through as much paint as you would with that, because that's really thick. Just a little tip on chalk paint. Now that my letters had some time to dry, and I'm using the stencil from the Dollar Tree and a foam brush. I think that turned out really cute. For the next project, I had picked up this artist palette from Dollarama. It's wooden. And then I also picked up the berry candle ring. And then I had these, I think they were frame kits from Dollar Tree, and they had these little hooks. So I picked those up as well from Dollar Tree. This is the part of the galvanized letter set from Dollar Tree. So I have that, and I will be using the linen Rust-Oleum chalk paint to paint it. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to stretch these out, because I need the opening to be a little bit better. And I have 24 rounded, and then one just an L shape one. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to paint this. Now I'm going to let this dry. So for this one, I will be, now that it's dry, I am going to hot glue my believe. to the top. This can be anything. You can say Christmas countdown. You can say really anything. I just like believe, for believing in Santa Claus, I guess, if that's what you believe in, or your children. Make sure it's somewhat straight. Okay, and now what you want to do is you want to measure your width, which is 11, and then I'm going to measure from the bottom of my letter, and it is 12, and I want to have 5 across and 4 down. So you go 2 and 2 in, and then you do about 1.3. And you screw these in. I am going to, now that I have attached all of these, and I went 6, 5, 6, 5, 2, and 3, measured approximately inch to inch and a half between, 2 from the top, 2 from the bottom, 2 from the sides from this one. Kind of eyeballing it. It's not perfect, but it doesn't really matter. I am going to write my numbers underneath. So for this last project, you need a stencil. I am using a stencil. These are the Dollar Tree stencils. Some bells, some ribbon, a piece of wood. I have this old piece of wood here. Some chalk paint. I'm using the linen white, and some sandpaper. Did you find any? So first thing that I'm going to do is paint my wood, but I'm going to paint it very almost like dry brush it, because I don't want the whole thing fully covered. And then if I need to, I might use the sanding block. So that's as far as I'll go with the paint. I'm going to attach my ribbon right here. So I'm going to take apart this, and I'm going to take this off. So I had taken apart a string of jute rope, and I am going to use that for the bells. I just think it looks better than the ribbon that they came with. So while my bells are setting, I am going to stencil over here. and I'm going to use black acrylic paint for that. And you don't wanna have a heavily saturated brush for that. And then I just tap. Okay, I'm going to let that dry a bit, and now I'm going to attach my bells. And I'm doing them different lengths. Now that it had some time to set, I am going to just add a little piece of, what is this called? From the Christmas tree. The pine needles? No? I don't know. And then while that's setting, I'm going to take my sanding block and sand some of it down, but I just want to dab. I'm not sure that it's completely dry. Just make sure you don't re-dab if you are getting paint on your rag. Give it a light sanding. So here they are. Here's the joy sign all completed. I think it looks really cute. Love the way the season greetings turned out. It looks very rustic. And this countdown is so cute. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel yet, I would love for you to press that subscribe button and a notification bell so you don't miss out any of the new videos that I post. And until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.